Top 5 compelling reasons to get a cybersecurity certification. Each job within IT has a cybersecurity viewpoint. Concentrating on security as your essential job opens up a universe of choices. What's more, don't let those negative features get you down.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
For each Equifax, there are a huge number of effective exchanges made on the web. 0% unemployment is an alluring detail. It's a decent advantage, without a doubt. However, it doesn't come close to a portion of the additional convincing process to seek a career in cybersecurity. You don't necessarily have to be a cybersecurity master to comprehend that this is a growth area. As many ruptures hit the features, it's obvious to everybody that associations need more experts concentrated on cybersecurity. Since the demand for cybersecurity professionals is strong, this could be the time where you can get your cybersecurity certification to uplift your career. A good certification can also provide you the advantage of seeking new opportunities. Is a cybersecurity certification worth it? What are its benefits? Here are the 5 best reasons why you should get a cybersecurity certification. 1. Plenty of variety. The entirety of the open doors for development is tied to the variety of technologies and situations security professionals have to deal with. On the off chance that it utilizes ones and zeros, it has a cybersecurity part, and a few jobs even reach out to physical security. 2. Practically unlimited growth. With an ever-extending scope, cybersecurity presents an unlimited development potential, both in your career direction and for learning opportunities. We show security as its own order, still, it connects to the entirety of the other IT skills and abilities. 3. The ability to take up challenges. The current workload has forced security groups to rapidly scale up and out. Opportunity is there for professionals ready to challenge themselves to take it. 4. The ability to solve riddles puzzles. Include the development of innovation and its variety, and you begin to witness the various sorts of puzzles that cybersecurity experts can manage. In cybersecurity, we depend on some reliable standards, yet the strategies can change every day. The certification has an actual impact. That last use case, guarding a pacemaker in an old patient, is a genuine one. Recently, there has been a massive review of pacemakers because of a security issue. The Equifax hack affected 145 million Americans. Cybersecurity matters. It has impacts that stretch beyond the digital world and into the physical world. That is an alarming and energizing prospect, and one that features its significance. If at all you want to take a shot at IT jobs that have real-world impact, cybersecurity may be the field for you. The CompTIA certification is a decent decision in case you're new to the field. With this certification, you can almost get your foot in the entryway with a technical support job to begin with. Certified Ethical Hacker (CH) certification, which will assist you with acing advanced ideas, for example, corporate secret activities, viruses, and reverse engineering. The Certified Information Systems Security Professional (CISUP) certification is the best quality level in the field of data security. This certification will prepare you to become a data information assurance professional who characterize all parts of IT security, including architecture, planning, management, and controls. Most IT security positions require or lean toward a CISUP certification. The Certified Information Systems Auditor (CISA) certification will show you the range of abilities you'll have to administer and control the data innovation for a business, just as how to play out a compelling security review on any association. Suggested resource: COBIT Registered Trademark Symbol Certification Training.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.